Apple has made the battery inside of the Apple AirTag replaceable, so you will get a warning on your phone when you need to replace this battery. When you open the Find My app on your iPhone, you could find that AirTag, and if the battery is low, you will see this kind of warning when you select the AirTag. And in my case, it took about a year of having this in my backpack before I got the warning to replace the battery. So first, we need to open this up. So if you press on the two sides here, you could actually rotate this out and it will pop up like this. And then I could just go ahead and remove this back. And then this is the battery that's inside. It's called CR2032. It's a very common battery type for these type of devices. So I picked up this pack just from Amazon, and I'll put a link below in the description. I just got it next day with Amazon Prime. So I just have to remove the old one here, and then I'll place the new one right in here. And then you could just close this. This has just these 3 tabs here, and then they line up with these tabs. And I'll just go ahead and rotate this the other way, so clockwise this time. Line it up, push it in, then you'll hear a little beep. And you should see a full battery here now on that same AirTag on the Find My app. I hope you found this quick video useful, and I'll see you next time.